Hi, I'm going to go through question 24 on IMAT 2011. And for this question, we have this pie chart which shows the favourite ice cream flavours for a sample of students at school. And we want to know which row of this table could show the number of students who liked each flavour. Okay, so what characteristics of this pie chart can we use to determine which row it should be? So one thing we could do is put all of these flavours in order from most popular to least popular and see if that matches up with the rows. Okay, so the most popular flavours definitely seem to be chocolate and strawberry, and they look fairly even. It's quite hard to tell which one's the bigger one. So we have chocolate and strawberry at the top of our list, then it seems that raspberry is the next popular one, then mint, and vanilla is the least popular. Okay, so how does our table match up? Well, what should we check first? Shall we check to see whether there are a similar number of students preferring chocolate and strawberry for each row? And we can see that, actually, yeah, there does seem to be. So we can't rule anything out by that. But is chocolate and strawberry also the most popular flavour for each row? Well, we can see immediately for row A that chocolate and strawberry would not be the most popular flavour because row A says that raspberry is more popular. So we know that that doesn't fit in with what we've deduced from our pie chart, so we can rule out option A. But for the rest of the options, yeah, they actually are the most popular. Okay, so what else can we check? We can check that vanilla is the least popular flavour. So if we look at B, vanilla does seem to be the least popular, but for C, we can see that C says mint is even less popular. So we know that C must be wrong. And D does have vanilla being the least popular, but for E, it's saying that vanilla and mint should be, equally popular, but we can definitely see that vanilla is the smaller slice on our pie chart. So we can rule out E as well. So now we're just left with options B and D. So how can we choose between those? Well, the ranking for the flavours seems to be correct for both of these. So we've got chocolate and strawberry first, then raspberry, then mint, then vanilla. So we're going to have to look at what proportion of the pie charts each flavour takes up. So if we look at B, for example, how many times bigger should the strawberry section be than the vanilla section? Well, if strawberry is 36 and vanilla is 5, that means strawberry should be more than 7 times larger than vanilla. And if we look at our chart, that does seem a bit unlikely. I mean, vanilla's a lot smaller than strawberry, but it's not that much smaller. It's also saying vanilla should be half the size of mint, which also looks unlikely. And B also says that raspberry is very similar in size to strawberry and chocolate. So it says that the amounts that raspberry is smaller than chocolate by is the same difference between chocolate and strawberry, but chocolate and strawberry definitely look more similar in size than chocolate and raspberry. So it seems that B doesn't really work. So our answer is going to be D.